Hey everybody, welcome back to HomeRecordingMadeEasy.com, and here on my YouTube channel, and in this video we're going to do an unboxing of a really cool new piece of studio gear I just got in from Germany. The company name is Tegeler Audio Manufacturing, and this is called the Creme. It is an EQ and a master bus compressor in one unit, something really cool, something I'm looking forward to checking out. I just got it in from FedEx. It comes in this nice wooden kind of treasure chest, and I thought we have to do an unboxing when something is packaged in a box like this. So we're going to take a look at the Creme by Tegeler Audio Manufacturing coming up. Hey everybody, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to unbox and take a look at the Creme by Tegeler Audio Manufacturing, a company based out in Germany. They reached out to me about a month ago or so, and they've been asking me to take a look at some of their hardware. They make 8 pieces of studio gear, hardware studio gear, everything from EQs and compressors to analog summers to recording channel strips to reverb units and a whole bunch of other stuff. You will leave the link in the description box below so you can go out and check out their website. And they seem to have really reasonable prices. And I've heard some good stuff about Tegeler Audio. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And everything I've seen so far, although there's not many reviews on YouTube, but the stuff that I have seen, it always gets real positive reviews. So when they reached out to me and asked me to take a look at one of their pieces of studio gear and let me pick whatever piece of gear I wanted, I thought, you know, let me try something out. I'm in the market for maybe getting an analog summer back for my studio, and I also maybe wanted to get like a master bus compressor and an EQ to just kind of run audio out of my DAW in through the hardware and then back into the DAW to add some of that nice color and tone and vibe to my mixes, and then also maybe compare that to some of the plugins that I typically use from Universal Audio, from Waves, from Slate Digital, to listen to and see and hear what is the difference between using an analog hardware, master bus EQ and compressor as opposed to plugins. So we're going to do that in another video, but this was really cool. It just came in off the truck today. It comes in this nice wooden treasure chest kind of a box, really intriguing, really nice packaging job. This is worth the price of admission here, folks. So here's the box here. Again, Tegeler Audio Manufacturing. On the side handles here, it has these kind of braided rope handles, which I thought was a really nice touch. So let's unbox it and take a look, and I will do some B-roll footage here and do a nice sweep so you can actually see the front of the unit. Now this again is called the Creme, and the Creme again is an EQ and a master bus compressor. So this is kind of cool. So when you first open up the crate, you have it all nice and protected here with this foam egg crate, which is really cool. We have our power supply here. We have a little glossy index card showing the 8 different hardware units that they produce. We have a microfiber cleaning cloth here. We also have a nice owner's manual here, a nice glossy owner's manual, which is kind of cool and kind of rare today. Most companies want you to download a PDF, so it's kind of nice that they sent you this nice, glossy user manual. And then the unit itself is packaged pretty well. We have 2 foam inserts on the top here. We'll take those out. And then we have the unit sitting in on top of 2 more foam inserts. So let's unbox this and see what we got here, and I'll take you through, walk you through kind of the switches and the dials and see what we got on this bad boy. So again, this is called the Creme. Let me put it right up here on top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this around for the camera, and hopefully you guys will be able to see it. Hopefully the camera will focus on it. If it does not, again, I will take some B-roll footage. Let me stick that up here in front of the camera, and hopefully it won't focus on my face. It'll focus on the unit itself. So here it is, and again, we'll make sure you get some good video footage of this. Okay, so on the back here, while I'm looking at the back, we just have XLR inputs and XLR outputs. So the way this would hook up is the out of my audio interface, the direct outputs, the main outs would go to the input of this unit, the Creme, and then out of the Creme would go back into my studio monitors, and that would be how that would kind of work. Or actually, yes, that's how it would kind of work. Out of the Creme, it would go back into my audio interface on 2 channels, and we would print the mix into the DAW with the signal, which is going to be really, really cool. So that's what we have kind of going on here. So on the front, let's take a look at the front here. Let me look at this and kind of explain to you what we got going on. So again, this is an EQ and a compressor all built in one unit. On the left-hand side here, we have a couple of switches. We have a bypass in and out toggle switch. We have a low cut filter, 60 and 120 hertz. And then we also have a switch here to change the signal flow, where you can actually put the EQ before the compressor or the compressor before the EQ. That's kind of handy. As far as the build quality goes, everything is real industrial, big chicken head switches here, which is really nice. Everything is kind of step switching, which is really cool. Things feel nice and solid. The output is a sweepable dial here, and the threshold is a sweepable dial as well. And then we have a gain reduction meter, and then we have a power on and off with an LED light here. So it just looks like, basic EQ compressor, but it's going to be really cool to run signal out of the DAW through this and then back into the DAW and print it, kind of like we do analog summing. And then again, we're going to compare this to the analog plug-in emulations. We're going to compare it to Universal Audio. We're going to compare it to Slate. We're going to compare it to Waves. Now, this EQ, from what I've read on their website, is kind of based lightly on a Pultec circuit, which is really cool. I don't think there's tubes inside of this unit like a Pultec is, but it's loosely based on that. I'm not sure what the compressor is kind of based on, if it's a specific model. So comparing it to the plugins is not going to be an exact brand, if you will, emulation. But to just hear what is the difference between compressing with hardware and EQing with hardware on the master bus as opposed to using plugins. So that's going to be really cool. So once again, this is the Creme by Tegeler Audio Manufacturing. Again, go to the description box and check it out. Check out what they got going on. And in the next video, we will go ahead and we will listen to this and we will compare it. So I hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. Please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you know when I'm posting new content. Sometimes people don't do that, and then they email me and say, how come you haven't posted any videos in a while? And I'm posting videos every single week. So if you want to know when new content goes up, hit that little notification button. Also, go out to Facebook, go out to Instagram, follow me there. And if you haven't done so already, go to homerecordingmadeeasy.com and sign up and get your 5 free mixing training courses worth $110 in value. Go right to homerecordingmadeeasy.com, big orange button on the homepage, get your 5 free training courses. It's my gift to say thank you for visiting homerecordingmadeeasy.com and supporting everything I do. And I've been Dave with homerecordingmadeeasy.com, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care.